Looking for a stylish and efficient city car? This is the Kia Picanto DPi X-Line, finished in a stunning colour that really turns heads. It's a petrol-powered hatchback, registered in 2021, with just one previous owner and 10,000 miles on the clock. With its 1-litre engine and Euro 6 compliance, it's economical and environmentally friendly, producing just 122 grams of carbon dioxide per kilometre. Plus, with 52 miles per gallon, you'll spend less time at the pump. Its insurance group 04E could also save you money on premiums. This Picanto comes loaded with features, including an 8-inch touchscreen display, air conditioning, rear parking sensors, a reversing camera, Bluetooth with music streaming, heated power folding mirrors, ISOFIX mounts, and stylish alloy wheels. With a full service history, last serviced in February 2024 at 8,073 miles, plus an MOT for 12 months, it's ready to go. And with the balance of Kia's nationwide warranty until March 2028 or 100,000 miles, you can drive with confidence. Don't miss out on this Grade 1 condition Picanto. Contact us today to arrange a viewing.